In this video, I'll show you how to deposit and withdraw crypto using the Bitget Wallet app. First, open Bitget Wallet and unlock it. To deposit or receive crypto, tap Receive on the home screen. Choose the coin you want, like USDT, then select the correct network such as TRC20, BEP20, or ERC20. Bitget Wallet will show your wallet address and a QR code. Tap Copy to copy the address, then use it as the destination address when sending from an exchange or another wallet. Now to withdraw or send crypto, go back to the home screen and tap Send. Select the coin you want to send and again choose the correct network. Paste the recipient's wallet address, enter the amount, and check the network fee. Make sure you have a little gas coin for fees, like TRX for TRC20, BNB for BEP20, or ETH for ERC20. Tap Confirm to send, then track the transaction in your wallet history until it's completed. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.